So welcome back to Nature Bob. I'm Bob. I'm gonna show you some nature. I'm gonna go down this trail. Let's go. Dangerous, so I have weapons of mass destruction. Osama bin Laden couldn't find me here. You never know what kind of life we might find out here. Let's go over here real quick and discuss some of the dangerous life that could be living here in livestock. I'll put this down because I'm an experienced person. Oh, look out! It's 100-foot snake! Oh! Oh! It's killing me! Get it off! Ah! Dude, my hat! I can't work without my hat!
Here comes the lion.
Wait! It's fake! It's fake! It's not a snake! I'm okay! It's not a snake! It's a water hose! I just found out! It's a water hose! No need to worry! I'm okay! Got my hat? I'm good! Alright, back to the trail. Let's go. This right here is some of the dangerous parts of Burlington ever. Look at that! Wow, it's a jungle in here! There could be anything in here. There could be people in here. Hello? They don't seem to be home. Oh, but I think we made the hornets mad. Better run. It sprayed me with water. It's hilarious.